guys, meron naman tayong GWN. Ayan, na diesel. So ito guys, may problema na guys sa susi. Yan, mayroon itong chip engine guys. So niscan natin guys. So ang lumabas yan guys, yung key low battery. Ayan guys, yan. So yan po yung naging problema niya guys. Kaya minsan hindi siya umandar, minsan andar din guys. So yan, nagalubat yung battery guys. So kailangan natin palitan yung battery guys, para sigurado tayo guys. So yan, kasi parinet yan, binubuksan niya guys. Ayan, so yan ang papalit namin bagong battery guys na 3 volts. Ayan guys, si parinet. Ayan, so basic lang po yan guys kung paano tanggal yan guys at pagbalik yan guys. Ayan, so basic lang po yan guys kung paano paglagay yan guys, kung paano tinanggal gawin po ibalik yan guys. So basic lang po yan guys kung paano paglagay. Ayan, so DIY lang yan guys. So kaya-kaya yan guys kung paano ito magkapit o magpaklas para mapalitan yung ating susi sa battery guys na keyless. Ayan, kita nyo natin. So basic lang po yan guys. So try ni parinet kung okay na. Ayan, okay na guys. So ayan, so yan guys. So mandar na yan guys, meron palang chip engine. So scan na yan guys. Ayan, so wala na yung chip engine na guys. Ayan, na delete na guys. So ibig sabihin okay na guys. So ganoon lang po ang ating pag-diagnose sa ating GWN guys. So maraming salamat po.